Okay, now we're going to talk about weather stripping. Oftentimes there are gaps because you just cannot control the shape of the jam. So for looks and efficiency, there's really only one type of weather stripping that I recommend, and that's this aluminum and vinyl screw-on door set. This comes in 3 pieces and it mounts to the jam and pushes against the door. And it does 2 things. It covers up any unsightly gaps, and it also seals very well. Now the set comes in 3 pieces, 1 short and 2 long. It'll fit a standard size door. Measure the top from inside of the stop to inside of the stop. So that piece measures 35 1/4, so I'm gonna cut that. You wanna have your door shut and you wanna lock the deadbolt. That's important. The vinyl part goes against the door and the aluminum part goes on the stop. Snug against the door. I don't want to jam it because now that's putting pressure on the deadbolt and that'll give you problems. So just hold it just snug against the door and then put in your screws. Okay, now with that in place, you want to test the door. Should open. I don't have to push or pull or fight with it. So I open it and then I open the door. Now when I close it, it's snug against my weather stripping. That's the way I want to do it. Now I'll lock this again. Do the same thing with the sides. See, I have the weather stripping just pushed gently up against the door and I got my screws in there and now I can tighten them down. And my deadbolt is locked. And where those are in there, then you unlock it and put these in. And you see on the inside, it really blocks out the light. So you can see it has sealed all those gaps very nicely. That's it.